Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Coaster Plus Music 19. This is Gabriel, and today we are checking back in for another Iron Menace construction update. And so this time, as you can see, the tilted loop has been completed for real. Sorry I lied about that last update. And the final corkscrew has been completed as well. We will get a better view of that in a minute. So holy crap, look at this. So let's just get right into this. There's Cedar Creek Flyers' new paint job. And as you can see, the last of the track pieces are on site.